Hello students, this video is about question and answers of the class 6th science chapters.
Chapter 16 Garbage in, Garbage out. Exercises. First mean multiple choice questions. Here select the correct option. First question is the one causing the most harm to the environment today is. Options are A. Plastic bags, B. Biodegradable waste, C. Waste paper, C. Poisonous waste. The correct answer is option A. Plastic bags. The one causing the most harm to the environment today is plastic bags. Second question. We can recycle. Option A. Only biodegradable waste, B. Only non-biodegradable waste, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Here the correct answer is option C. Both A and B. We can recycle only biodegradable waste and only non-biodegradable waste. Both A and B are correct. Third question. Domestic waste is also known as option A. Sewage, B. Drainage, C. Garbage, D. All of these. Answer option C. Garbage. Domestic waste is also known as garbage. Fourth question. Lead is a waste under the following category. Options are A. Biodegradable, B. Non-toxic, C. Toxic, D. None of these. Here the correct answer is option C. Toxic. Lead is a waste under the toxic category. Fifth question. Rotting is carried out by option A. Bacteria, B. Insects, C. Ants, D. Amoeba. Here the correct answer is option A. Bacteria. Rotting is carried out by bacteria. Sixth question. Fertilizer is A. Option A. Domestic waste, B. Industrial waste, C. Agriculture waste, D. Commercial waste. Fertilizer is an agricultural waste. In the waste disposal management, the control of. Seventh question. In the waste or disposal management and control, the practice of 3R is recommended. Which of the following does not come under 3R? Options are A. Reduce, B. Refuse, C. Reuse, D. Recycle. Here the correct answer is option B. Refuse. In the waste or disposal management and control of practice of 3R is recommended. Which of the following does not come under 3R? That is refuse. Eighth question. The non-biodegradable material in the following is option A. Cotton, B. DDT, C. Paper, D. Jute bags. Here the correct answer is option B. DDT. The non-biodegradable material in the following is DDT. Second main, B. Fill in the blanks. First one. Plants and animal products dash easily. Plants and animal products rot easily. Second, after an object has served its purpose, it becomes dash. After an object has served its purpose, it becomes waste. Third one, we can manage our wastes well by reducing, reusing and dash. We can manage our wastes well by reducing, reusing and recycling. Fourth one, domestic sewage is an example of dash waste. Domestic sewage is an example of liquid waste. Fifth one, glass is a dash waste. Glass is a non-biodegradable waste. Sixth one, biodegradable substances dash and mix with the soil. Biodegradable substances decay and mix with the soil. Third main, C. State true or false against the following statements. First one, rotting is carried out by bacteria and fungi. True. Second, fertilizer is a domestic waste. False. Third, domestic waste is also known as garbage. True. Fourth, aluminium foil will rot in a week. False. Fifth, DDT is a non-biodegradable waste. True. Sixth, banana peels and vegetable peels are the domestic wastes. True. Fourth main, D. Match the items of column A with those of column B. So in the column A, it is given as vermicomposting. Vermicomposting is nothing but composting with the help of red worms. Landfill, large area of disposal waste. Landfill is large area for disposal of wastes. Recycling, it is collecting waste materials to process to make new products. Domestic or kitchen waste, it is a garbage. Domestic waste is called as a garbage. Fifth, glass, plastic and metal, it is a non-biodegradable waste. Glass, plastic and metal is a non-biodegradable waste. Sixth, chemicals, fertilizer and domestic sewage, it is a liquid waste. Seventh, bacteria and fungi are rotting. Used for rotting. Fifth main, E. Differentiate between first one, composting and vermicomposting. Second, recycling and reusing. Third, chemical fertilizers and manure. We will see differences of each. First one, composting and vermicomposting. What is composting? Waste can be converted into manure by microorganisms. This process is called composting. Whereas in vermicomposting, it is a type of composting in which composting is done by the use of earthworms. Second, recycle and reuse. The process by which waste materials are reused to make new products. In reusing, we can reuse certain things by repairing them. Reuse plastic bags and bottle instead of throwing them. Third difference is chemical fertilizers and manure. Chemical fertilizers are chemical compounds produced artificially and used in agriculture to enhance food production. Example, urea. Manures are natural fertilizers used to enhance food production. Example, cow dung. Next main, give reason. First question, composting is better than burning leaves. Composting is better than burning leaves. Answer, composting is better than burning leaves because burning produces air pollution and composting helps to enhance fertility of land through manure. Second question, we must avoid using plastic bags. Answer: we must avoid using plastic bags because plastic bags are non-biodegradable and enhance pollution. Third one, the earthworms are called farmers' friends. Answer: earthworms are called farmers' friend because they live in agricultural land and enhance aeration of soil for proper irrigation. Fourth, it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizers. Answer: compost is better than chemical fertilizers because compost is natural and biodegradable. Next main G short answer type questions. In that first question is, a glass jar or a peel of orange, which one will rot the fastest when buried in soil? In both glass jar and peel of orange peel will rot fastest. So answer is orange peel. Second question, what is the name of the organism that is used in vermicomposting? Answer: redworms or earthworms. So earthworms are used in vermicomposting. Third question, name any two sources of solid wastes. Answer: the sources of solid wastes are home and industry. Fourth question, what is composting? Answer: composting is a process of rotting and conversion of biodegradable material into manure. Fifth question, name the 3 R's that help us to manage our wastes well. Answer: 3 R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Sixth question, what is vermicomposting? Answer: the process of composting with the help of earthworms is called vermicomposting. Next main H long answer type questions. In that first question, write a note on how packaging increases the amount of garbage. Answer: packaging increases the amount of garbage because in packaging of food material or any other articles require lots of paper, aluminium foil and other packing envelopes which would be waste after unpacking. That is why packaging increases the amount of garbage. Second question, why has recycling of non-biodegradable waste become so essential these days? Why has recycling of non-biodegradable waste become so essential these days? Answer: recycling of non-biodegradable waste has become so essential because these substances cannot decompose with time and burning of these waste materials produce lots of pollution which is responsible for many diseases. The disposal of these material is a very difficult task. So, recycling of these non-biodegradable waste material is essential. Third question, how can we recycle paper? Answer: we can recycle paper by using them again in household work such as covering of book. You can also sell papers to scrap dealers, that is kabadiwala, for recycling. They send them to recycling plant to form new items. Next main I, questions based on figures, diagrams and pictures. First question, study the picture given alongside and answer the questions that follow. So here picture of a plastics and other materials here it is given. First question, what kind of waste is seen here? Answer: it is a non-biodegradable waste. Second question, B. What kind of effect does it have on the environment? Answer. These wastes are not degraded by bacteria or fungi and persist in our surrounding. The disposal of these non-degradable wastes is the biggest problem today. Second question, which of the following is not biodegradable? Sunflower, electric bulb, bone, book. So 4 things are given. Book, bone and sunflower are biodegradable, whereas electric bulb is non-biodegradable. Third question, which of the following will take the longest time to decompose? Here banana peel is given, plastic bag, shirt, newspaper. Here newspaper, shirt, banana peel will decompose faster, whereas plastic bag, it takes longest time. Fourth question, look at the pictures below. Tin, bottle, dry flowers, tire, iron nails, polythene, dry leaves, old clothes, tire tube, paper, paper cup. Here, put the garbage seen above in the respective bins. Here, 2 bins are given, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So, we will classify all these things. Those are tin, bottle, dry flowers, tire, iron nails, polythene, dry leaves, old cloths, tire tube, paper, paper cup into biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. In the biodegradable, dry flowers, dry leaves, old cloths, paper and paper cup. In the non-biodegradable wastes, tin, bottle, tire, iron nail, polythene bag, tire tube. Next main J. Hot's questions. First question, how can you minimize the generation of wastes at your home? Answer, you can minimize the generation of wastes at your home in the following ways. First, buy only those things which you really need. Second, during lunch and dinner, take only as much food as you can consume. Third, avoid the use of plastic bags. Fourth, use both sides of paper. Second question, rotting of waste material gives foul smell. How can you use this rotting waste for a good cause? Answer, the wastes that are biodegradable such as kitchen wastes, food wastes, vegetable peels, other plants and animal wastes can be converted into manure or compost by burying them and with the help of some microorganisms. This process is called composting. Compost is a nutrient-rich natural fertilizer and soil conditioner. Due to burying in the pits, rotting of waste material does not give foul smell. Next section K. Value-based question. Here, Varun has observed that his grandmother often makes cloth bags out of old clothes. He also reuses empty glass bottles as containers for storing things. Answer the following questions based on the above information. First question, whether actions of Varun's grandmother are environment friendly or not? Give one reason. Answer, yes. Actions of Varun's grandmother are environment friendly because she uses the old cloths and glass bottles when she needs. Question B. What would happen if he threw the empty glass bottles? Answer. If he threw empty glass bottles, it would create a big problem in disposal. it would be more difficult to get rid of. Thus, this undesirable practice is harmful for our environment. Question C. Which values are displayed by Varun's grandmother in the above mentioned acts? Answer. First one is social responsibility. Second, eco-friendly nature. And third, use of scientific knowledge.